Welcome to the Wild Nature Channel. Before you is one of the most dazzling birds on the planet. This isn't just a bird, it's a true fashion icon, with feathers that astonish everyone around. But the peacock is more than just beauty. Want to know why it fans out its tail, whether it can fly, and what lies behind its enchanting appearance? Stay with us, it's going to be fascinating. The peacock is a genus of large birds in the pheasant family, Phaeacinidae, order Galliformes. This means they are distant relatives of common chickens. In fact, some of their behaviors are quite similar. Scratching the ground for food, a dislike for long flights, and the harem structure, where one male guards a group of females. In the wild, peacocks are mostly found in Asia, especially in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Pakistan, with smaller populations in Indonesia and Thailand. There are three main species of peacocks. Indian peacock, the most famous and widespread species. The male has bright blue feathers and a long tail with eyes. This is the species most often seen in photos and zoos. It is the national bird of India. Green peacock features shimmering green and golden plumage. Both males and females are brightly colored, found in Indonesia, Myanmar, Thailand, and Cambodia. Congo peacock, the least known, discovered only in 1936. It has dark bluish-green feathers and a short tail. Lives in the forests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. There are also white peacocks, which are not a separate species, but a rare color variant of the Indian peacock caused by leucism, a genetic condition. They have white feathers and blue eyes. These birds are nearly absent in the wild and are usually found in zoos or parks. Though different species don't meet in nature, they can interbreed successfully in captivity. Peacocks are not native to Ukraine, but you can see them in zoos, petting farms, and decorative gardens, where Indian peacocks, including white ones, are often kept. With proper care, they can adapt well to the Ukrainian climate, especially if provided with a warm shelter in winter. A peacock's body is elegant and medium-sized. The male can reach up to 2.3 meters in length, though most of that is the tail, or more accurately, the upper tail coverts. The body itself is about 9,130 centimeters, and they weigh 4-5 kilograms. Despite their size, peacocks can fly, but only short distances. Their flight is more of a sudden burst into the air, usually to get up into a tree, where they prefer to sleep. A peacock has a long neck, a small head with a feathered crest, bright plumage, especially the male's iridescent blue, short wings, and a very long, elegant tail. The tail fully develops by age 3, at which point the male can begin participating in courtship displays. During mating season, males compete for territory and females. They fan out their tail, dance, and call out. The feathers shimmer in the sunlight and can appear to change color depending on the angle. The eyes on their tail feathers are not just decoration. Scientists believe these patterns play a key role in mate selection. Females tend to prefer males with larger, more vibrant tails and more eye spots. When a peacock trembles its open tail, the eye spots seem to come to life, creating an illusion of motion that strongly attracts females. During the dance, the male not only displays his tail, but also emits low-frequency sounds that humans often can't hear, but which females can detect well. After mating, the female lays 3-6 eggs. She makes a ground nest, typically hidden in bushes or tall grass. She incubates the eggs for about 27-30 days, while the male looks for new mates. Males often maintain harems of 3-5 females. When the chicks hatch, they can run and forage almost immediately, but they stay close to their mother for safety. After the breeding season, the male sheds his long feathers. In the fall, he looks more modest but regrows his beautiful fan by spring. The tail is not only for attracting mates, it also confuses predators. When a peacock suddenly spreads its feathers, the many eyes can startle an attacker. Outside of mating season, peacocks may live alone or in small groups, males by themselves, and females with chicks separately. They communicate through calls and body language. Peacocks produce short calls, beak clicks, or soft feather rustling when they're alert or agitated. They are very vocal birds, Their loud cries can be heard from several kilometers away, especially at dawn, dusk, and during the mating season. Their call is sharp, sounding somewhere between a scream and a meow, unmistakable once heard. Besides their voice, peacocks speak with their bodies too. When a male fans and shakes his tail, it's not just for beauty. It's a clear signal to impress and assert dominance. In the wild, peacocks eat a varied diet of plant and animal matter. They enjoy berries, young shoots, seeds, grains, and juicy fruits, which is why they often live near orchards or farmlands. Importantly, peacocks are beneficial to humans, eating insects, larvae, and even small snakes and rodents. In the wild, peacocks live about 15–20 years. In captivity, they can live up to 25 years or more with proper care and protection. The peacock is not just a beautiful bird, but a true wonder of nature, with amazing behaviors, vibrant plumage, and a bold personality. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this colorful marvel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which fact about peacocks surprised you the most? See you next time! There's still so much more to discover in the incredible world of animals.